sunshine. Concrete mixer truck. Hey kids, let's talk about our big friend, the magical concrete mixer truck. This concrete mixer truck is like a giant superhero, bringing magical materials to create strong roads and buildings. The concrete mixer truck has a big drum that can spin around. When we press its magical button, this truck starts working with the thunderous sound of its engine. Inside the drum, it mixes sand, gravel, water, and other magical powders. They all party inside, spinning and turning until they become an incredibly strong concrete mix. Once the concrete mix is ready, the truck is all set for its adventure. With the powerful roar of its engine, the concrete mixer truck goes to the places that need its help. There, it joyfully pours the concrete mix into neat shapes, as if it's giving a new gift to be built. Kids, the magical concrete mixer truck is like a construction hero. It helps create roads and buildings that we use every day. Let's express our gratitude to the concrete mixer truck that works hard every day to make our world stronger and more beautiful. So, let's give a round of applause for the magical concrete mixer truck that is always on the front line of building our amazing world. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. See you!